take them out of the fridge, and this is what they look like, and obviously Stephen wants them. Enjoy guys, these are my super easy and favourite recipes.
Still I'm giving all I got. I just want to tell you something. It must have been something I forgot. All this time, it was never enough. So please slow down. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. I'm taking the long road, running on empty. I'll be better this time around. I'm going where you go if you let me. I'll promise you better days, only better days. Running down the same road, hope it leads me somewhere new. Making up for lost time, gonna make it right by you. They said it would be easy, guess I never thought it through. My head's been in the wrong place when it should have been with you. All this time, it was never enough. So please slow down. I'm just trying to find.
Screamed at me for was the 14-day flat belly meal plan. So I filmed it for you. I've also included a shopping list and a download / printable cheat sheet of the food that you should be having for the 2 weeks. Now I'll share this on Pinterest. I'll also pop the link below so you guys can follow it. It's really simple, and you can obviously save this to your phone, print it, do whatever you like. Now